is everything about you.
What's up, y'all? Rob here at Square Wheels, back in the garage again. So I just completed the driver's side install of my Illuminated Door Sills, and good God, let me tell you, it was annoying. So these door sills didn't come with any instructions, so I kind of had to figure it out for myself. The problem was, I wanted to get the illuminated door sills to only get power when the door was open, and I've got a 2015 Q50. For some reason, that was super hard to find. My understanding is that the 2016 and up Q50s, they have a harness, an accessory harness basically, on the passenger side that you can tap into and just get like illuminated lighting when the door is open. The 2015 and below apparently don't come with that. So if you have that wiring, follow one of those videos. If you have a 2016 and up and are still looking for power, or you don't have that pre-wiring, then follow the steps in this video. So I'm first gonna go through exactly what didn't work for me. I put chapters at the bottom, so if you want to jump ahead, just go ahead and jump ahead. But I find it helpful, when I know that other things didn't work. So just a quick summary. The dome lighting up front definitely didn't work. The accessory panel behind the glove box on the passenger side definitely didn't work. Accessory panel wiring on the driver's side definitely didn't work. So that's just a quick summary of what didn't work. Basically, what did work was tapping the dome wiring in the rear passenger compartment, and same thing on the driver's side. So it worked perfectly once I figured it all out. So I'm going to walk you through those steps. To make this work is run power from behind this, tap the power and ground, and then maybe pull it out here, run it down here, and then split it so it can go to the front and the rear. So the first thing you're going to want to do is move your passenger seat forward so you've got enough room to maneuver. After that, you can jump in and start removing this rubber weather stripping. There's no adhesive on it. All you got to do is tug, and it's really easy to put back once you're done. Half of the weather stripping, you should be able to get access to the lower side of the pillar. It's just plastic. If you pull towards the center of the car, it comes off really easy. Probably not going to break any tabs, but just be careful. So to get to the wiring, we need to get underneath the headliner. To do that, I took a jeweler screwdriver and got into the clip of the oh shit bar and just pulled back. You just use the jeweler screwdriver, pull the tab down, and then pull back on the cover, and it should release it. Once you've got these two things released, you should be able to just pull the oh shit bar off the tabs, and that'll give you a bit more freedom to get to the headliner. The last thing I did was just loosen this top plastic cover on the pillar. If you see that orange tab, that's what's holding it on. If you just pull it towards the rear of the vehicle, you'll free up enough wiggle room that you should be able to kind of finagle the headliner over the top of this plastic cover, just so you can get a bit more space underneath. Cool, looks like we've got enough clearance now. Time to do some wiring. So pull down the headliner. Don't worry about messing anything up. It's all just held on just by a Velcro tab. So if you pull down, you should be able to get enough clearance to get back behind and access the car's wiring for this dome light. Now what you'll see is that there's 3 wires going to this plug. There's this tan one, a ground one, and a red one. What you're going to want to do is tap these wires and run an accessory wire that's going to power your door sills. So you're going to run the black one to the tan cable and run the red one to your red cable in your car's wiring. Your key alert right here. I didn't know this at the time. I did the driver's side first, but if I could do it again, I would run 2 sets of wires, one going down the passenger pillar from the passenger side and one going all the way across under the headliner to the driver side, and just tap one spot because the wiring is a little bit different on the driver side. Alright, so once you got your wires run, your mileage may vary, but I got burned so many times on this project that I tested at every step. I ran this wiring and I tested the illuminated door plates lit up with the door open, and when I hit the button for the door closed, they powered down, so I knew I was in good shape. That was the hardest part. So after that, all you really need to do is run your red and black wire all the way down to the base of the pillar and then connect whatever accessories. So I did everything in one bundle. I put all the red wires together and heat shrinked them. I did all the black wires together, then heat shrinked them, and then I heat shrinked the entire bundle so I could tuck it, at the base of that pillar. It's really just a cakewalk from here. So all you need to do is pry off the factory door sills. I use a little piece of towel to protect my paint, but these lifted off really easy. It's the same sort of thing. They're just plastic tabs. You just got to make sure not to snap them in there. Really easy to pop off. Do the exact same thing on the rear. Just 2 tabs to pop off. Now all we got to do is connect our wiring to the door sills and stick them to the body. We got on here. And you see it illuminates. So I'll just want to tuck this wire under this weather stripping here. So clean this off, obviously. Make sure we got a clean surface because we're going to be using 3M adhesive on the back of this to stick it down. Once you're done here, you're going to do exactly the same thing in the rear and then just reverse your steps to button your car up back together. Should be all set after that. That's it, y'all. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I've definitely got more on the way.
Everything seems to be about you. Why is everything about you?